Right, here we have an Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. The bike has had its 12,000 miles valve service. It's done a few miles at 17,000 miles, but it is in immaculate overall condition. We have coated the bike in ACF 50, so it has got full corrosion protection and is in very, very nice condition. This bike has clearly been well cared for. Comes with bar end mirrors, adjustable levers, quick release fuel cap, tail tidy, some very nice carbon fibre accessories, and the all important Aprilia exhaust. This bike has clearly had a very, very easy life and is excellent value for money. This bike can be bought on a PCP finance with low rate deposit and very low monthly payments, and if you have an excellent credit rating, we do finance from 9.9%.